ngiyakubona senkundleni yokuxhumana bakubita amagama incumbi amaningi, let me put it like that. But you eloquent, but you charismatic.
Ngilijayele selincane leli nemandla nalilungele ukugijima. Nanamuhla sekuphela iminyaka emibili ngingenile eParliament solo ngime lapho nje ukuthi ngilijayele elincane lelilungele ukugijima. Sukela ngakhethwa kuze benginyaka angasuki le kulabantu labangikhetha eMaiwan. Each and every day ngihlala nabo. Uhambe uye emadolobheni yohlala khona vele ke labantu batawucabanga ukuthi le madolobheni vele ubaphanzela le mali. Kanti le madolobheni konke nje kuyasetshenziswa impela la ngena khona ngikhala bayakhumbula ngikhala ukuthi isikhalo sami sathi ema project nje awusacasaca eMaiwan kuyasetshenziswa ngidawubela nje emakhosini nyolo ukuthi wena waphakathi awukuyasetshenziswa eMaiwan. Abantu abakho eMatiyo cha bayasiva kakhulu eMaiwan. Yesterday I received a call. Thank you Mhlonishwa for bringing us back labor. Now mfana uphase kahle uyahamba nje usifune scholarship, which is positive.
No, that's positive.
Raising such motion angabi favorite kulabanenge, especially those who are enjoying lenzaba lenzaba ukuthi bayasebenza banabo 60.
Yes.
Angathanzeki. Okay. Some of them even today they don't like me. Akakanakeki itishela even. Okay. And it's very painful. Sithike akunandzaba ukufaka tishela ku contract. It's not a problem. But sicela phela umholele ngale grade noma ke ngale certificate sakhe lasifundzela.
Yes.
I wish government could listen to the people.
Okay.
I wish government could stop being aggressive when it comes to e-welfare ye-disability. Hambe uthathe passport bakubemete bangene ngekhathi bente litiya, you see kucekela past uhulumende lo.
Ngeni Mhlonishwa uyavuma nokulima lokhu umthundo wetinkuku. Ngabe kule issue yokukhulumisa lenzaba leyo in parliament, is it still an issue to be considered? Maybe it can boost controlling it, maybe it can boost and avoid the killings that comes about inzaba yokulima insango sebabulala nakusadlalwa nyana ukuthi ngabe umhlonishwa lapho eParliament basathini ngalenzaba leyo.
I'm young and ready for any task you can define any task, so then you will get the answer from there.